Hey guys, this is your host Rifan Nasir, and today in this video I want to talk about a paid parking system that has been implemented in Saudi Arabia. So initially the paid parking system was not introduced in the Kingdom of the Saudi Arabia, but recently for the few months in the Qasim region they have introduced the paid parking system. The Khubayb area of the Bureda has a lot of traffic, and people usually they used to park their cars near Khubayb parking lots. But now they have introduced this paid parking system, which if you do not, take your ticket from the machine counter, you will be charged almost 220 riyals. If you happen to park your car there without the ticket, the authorized person will come there and he will lock your vehicle. He will put some kind of circular thing on your tire, and you won't be able to move your car until you pay your fine. So the machines are a bit tricky. If you are using them for the first time, you won't be able to print your ticket because it's kind of a complex thing. But in this video I'll show you how you can easily print your ticket. So when you go to the machine counter, there is a keypad on that machine counter, and there is a flag written. There is a flag button on the machine counter. If you want to change the language, you press on the flag button. After pressing on the flag button, you have to enter your registration number. So registration number is basically your car details, like car number you will write over there. And then after adding the card number, you have to click on plus button on the keypad, because that plus button will introduce the price of that ticket. Normally the normal parking fee is 3 riyals per cars. So if you press on the plus button, it will say 3. Now after pressing the plus button, you have multiple options. Either you tap your card, or you put your card inside. Number two options. Third is either you can also use the coin system. You can put coins in it, but mostly people use cards. So after doing all this, you have to press on a card button on the keypad. Once you put on the card button, and then you have to click on the tick option on that keypad. Now it will ask you to tap your card on the scanner. So once you tap your card on the scanner, the payment will be proceeded, and then your ticket will be printed. You have to take your ticket out and you have to put inside your windshield. So this is the new law that has been introduced in Saudi Arabia, and I think so in the future most of the parking spots in the kingdom will obviously have this paid parking system. It is good in one sense that there will be less traffic. People won't park there, but also to introduce some kind of fines to actually reinforce the laws in the kingdom. So you have to, now if you go somewhere in the in the city, you need to check whether that area has a paid parking system or not. So that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.